Under President Emerson Mnangagwa, all the 4 pillars of governance are totally broken, and he likes it like that. Sanapita mashoko kuda nyonga panapa wakomana chita aiwa inciting the Zimbabwean masses wakomana tukuona kuti wakomana no follow advocate nusu nchapsa pangwa ine waya vachikola apo wachita aiwa all the pillars of governance panguva inoi asikana kutevedzerwa aiwa they are being violated. Not by subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tendrambira chiti these are transparency, accountability, fairness and independence. Treasury is not transparent under that roba called George Kwamatanga. The government is not accountable. There is partiality in application of the law and no fairness at all, and not even one state institution is independent, not even parliament. Everything is interfered with and controlled by president, his wife and his 3 sons. They arrested President Mhlanga and have charged him with facilitating incitement or inciting people into violent conduct or something to that effect, with the egregious crime of corruption spearheaded by president, who has gathered around himself every single non-notorious D-grade violent criminal. Why and how is it criminal to incite people into a violent uprising to win back their country to lawfulness and morality? This is where we are as Zimbabweans. Our people have been made accomplices of kleptocrats who are now looting openly, built by the administration of our own youth. This is a country where an average person born after 1990 has never seen a payslip in their name and has never opened a bank account. They hardly know what a formal economy is, and they have been fed with the Mbinga culture of celebrating thieves as role models of success in a country led by kleptomaniac with 100% tolerance for malfeasance. Where we are as Zimbabweans now, justice can only be enforced by an uprising. Democracy has been murdered, the law has been captured, morality is totally sidelined, and uprightness is now alien. Rise Zimbabwe, rise. Zimbabwe, we are one, and together we overcome. It is homeland or death. Thomas Wabdata wapanapa na wakomana wajita aiwa, we are tired. People wanachazi a formal economy just because even a payslip munakazvarwa after 1990 vanhu zvese havachitobozvizivi noda kuti panapa vakungoziva life yemambinga ndozvavakungoziva chete panguva ino. Mbodisa mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Vanhu vachianalyza vachiona kuti the situation yemunyika yezimbabwe avo yakuseresa. Pinda comment section medu kutidza mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.